Heidi, I have a short message for you. Very short, very sweet. Look there. God created all this. Alles die het hy self gemaak. And he tells the water where to stop. He knows the beginning from the end. He is the Alpha and the Omega. He's the God that can do the impossible in any situation. And still you are doubting. Hoekom sal jy bang wees? Why would you be anxious knowing that this God created all this? Why are you? Hoekom sal jy nog bekommerd wees oor die dag van môre? Why would you be so afraid? And you have a God that created all this. He created you. He created everything on this earth. And you are stressed over the things of this earth. Moenie worry nie. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Because he says in his word, if you may just ask, Matthew 7 verse 7, if you ask, you'll receive. If you seek, you'll find. If you knock on a door, the door will be open unto you. I'm asking you, don't be afraid. Don't be dismayed. He created all this.